Good morning, everybody. I want to give an update on the Forex market because I've been asked recently what I thought now about dollar yen. Now, if you recall, a few weeks ago, I said that the yen's rally had peaked. And as the rationale for that, I pointed to the new Japanese fiscal stimulus that they had announced. And then subsequently after that, there was that terrible earthquake. And then I think a new supplementary budget was either being considered or passed for earthquake cleanup and recovery. So I thought those fiscal measures would cap the yen's rally, and indeed, that's what we saw happen. The dollar yen went from about 105 recently up above 109, and then now it's starting to pull back again. And actually, readers of my MMT Trader report got an update email from me yesterday saying that Japanese yen sell-off was probably over. Now, why the sort of conflicting? One day one week I'm saying yen's going down, next week going back up. Here it is. You have basically two forces that are at work here. You have, yes, this newly enacted stimulus, which I said would cap the yen's rally, and that is exactly what happened. It capped the rally. However, that is not to say you're going to get a full-blown reversal in the yen way back down again, simply because ongoing in all this is the negative interest rate situation in Japan, which is fundamentally bullish for the yen. So yes, the yen's rally was capped, and it will probably remain capped for at least a few months. Once that stimulus, once that spending is exhausted on the public works and the earthquake cleanup, or at least once it's fully discounted by the market, let's say, the yen will continue to rise. Okay, just because that negative interest rate situation is very bullish long term for the yen. So unless the Bank of Japan eliminates that, and I don't see them doing that anytime soon, because they're in this kind of fantasy belief that somehow that is stimulative, and it is not. It is effectively, functionally a tax, and taxes support the currency. So there you have it. I think the yen right now is probably locked in some kind of a trading range from 107 to 110 or something like that, or 106 to 109 and a half. I'd much rather be long the euro. I'd much rather be long commodity currencies like the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and Canadian dollar, which, by the way, all of those things are working in our direction, and those were on the MMT Trader as a recommendation, okay? Even dollar Canada, which we shorted, is now coming down to levels which are putting us back to break even or a profit. By the way, we also bought the yen ETF, the YCS, which was the yen short ETF, and we made money on that too, and we got out of that at the highs yesterday. So even the recommendations on MMT Trader are doing very, very well. Not to mention our long S&P position. We have about 20 points in that already, doing very, very well. S&P futures. Okay, that's it for now. I'll be back here later. Remember, if you have not signed up for the MMT Trader, get your 30-day free trial. Get it. What are you waiting for? Come on, go to pitbulleconomics.com and click on the tab that says products. See, and by the way, if you're interested in Forex and you have not purchased my Forex course, 25 hours of intensive Forex education combined with MMT, mental game, market composition, all the things that I teach, 25 hours of videos for $250, $10 an hour, very cheap. Again, pitbulleconomics.com. This time click on the tab that says courses. Get the special offer Forex video course. See you later. Bye bye.